Petty fam.
Hey, Petty fam.
We
had to leave our home because family getaway.
Getaway.
Okay, where do you think y'all they went, y'all? That is so frustrating.
It
Yeah,
is.
I'm with you.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's
that
pretty
place.
wherever it is.
Where they at, y'all?
Why you gotta leave running with the baby?
Arizona. Comment below if y'all are from Arizona or have been to Arizona.
Yeah.
Royal family, it's your girl Queen. It's your boy Clare.
What's up, y'all?
Right now it's a beautiful day out and we are in Arizona. We're in Arizona. We just had breakfast. Leggy here. He just finished his. Okay. Lee. Who are you? Go ahead.
Wow.
Yeah, he ready to fight.
Go.
All right. Go, CJ.
It's a beautiful view out here. I'm going to show you guys how it looks.
It does look warm and inviting.
We got here late last night. It is so nice. The mountains, they got cactuses out here. Me and Clarence,
Cacti.
we actually went to go poke a cactus yesterday by the airport. And that thing was pointy, so
Y'all gonna get one of them.
yeah, we're pretty much on a trip. I don't know how
Y'all
much we're gonna get out of this, but stay tuned, y'all. We're heading to the pool. Yes, 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 I wanna go to the
What's
pool.
up, y'all? We about to head to the slide, to the pool and the slide, you feel me? Yeah, we about to head to the slide, man.
You ready? You ready to leave for this?
Yep.
You already know I had to get cute in my little cheetah swimsuit. Yes. Are you ready? Are you gonna let me dunk you in the water?
I'm gonna dunk him in the water. I don't care if he wants me to or not.
Why are you gonna dunk him in the water?
Because he thinks he's stronger than me. So I'm done.
Oh yes.
I think 3, right? No, 2.
Oh
Oh, yeah,
yes.
2.
Yes. Period. I got the sprinklers right now. What?
Right in the middle.
Don't fall, Leggy. I'm so scared. I don't want to fall. So right now we are chilling in this little area. Me and CJ, we just got the pool. Legend was in the pool.
Playing cornhole.
It's not like basketball at all.
He says not like basketball.
It's really not.
Come on, number
I
5.
just said you was good at everything you do.
He gonna get it. Uh-oh, who got the drone?
All right.
Hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. We're being a little lazy in the lazy river, you heard?
He said, come in the water before I beat you up.
Alright, so we just got our food. I ain't went no different. I just got a cheeseburger. I kept it all the way hood. Threw some bacon on there. We got a grilled cheeseburger.
Dip your chicken in there. And then the other Chipotle sandwich?
That Chipotle sandwich look like it's slap, though.
Chipotle.
Alright, y'all, we about to demolish this food and then probably just go to the pool again or something chill. The kids is having too much fun.
So I had promised myself that I was not gonna get my hair wet when I came out here.
Uh-oh,
but
girl. Don't worry about it. Have fun.
you know, but we all lie sometimes. We just ate now I'm back by the pool again, and I'm about to go hop
It's
in.
hard in the lazy
CJ,
river.
Yeah.
Not to get your
Because you feel like you're gonna be cold when you get out. But you should have fun, CJ. You should live it up.
live it up, boo
Oh
boo.
my God, CJ got a 10. Look at that. You ready to get back in, Leggy? We need more sunscreen. Don't touch the toe. You can do it. Jump. Okay, I'm right here. No, I'm not coming that close. Come on, jump. Come back. You gotta jump. No, CJ, come on, jump. I'm right here. Run and jump, CJ. Yeah, run and jump.
Oh, baby.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
I'm so scared. Like,
He came up. She came up a little bit, CJ. It's all right.
be afraid. Come on. I want to make. You're not gonna drown. Come on.
Come on, CJ.
Hold your breath. 1. CJ, I'm right here. Jump now. 1, 2, 3. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
The crazy part is you jump out.
You was just jumping earlier. No. Go back. Go run and jump. Either that or Mike gonna get you. Come on.
Keep looking at me.
Aww.
Oh.
Dang. I don't even know who he was racing.
Yeah, he definitely won.
Not you.
Oh, girl, yeah.
Yes, sis.
Sorry. No, girl, he was going faster. That's the problem. Oh, they got little cabanas.
Yeah, that's nice.
So, y'all, we're all done swimming now. The sun's about to set. And we have just walked into the arcade of this resort.
She loves air.
Air hockey. Ooh, I love air hockey. Even though I suck at it. This is super cool. I'm about to get in here. Oh, shit. Why not shoot this thing?
That looks fun.
Big eyes on I don't know, but shoot them shits. Let's get it. Oh, we inside now. We inside. Babe, that's out.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Slide car, hurry up.
CJ, where's the car? Give me the car, CJ.
I need help. I need help.
Wait, why y'all grown people up there playing and CJ got the car like a responsible adult? Don't do him like that.
Extra 30, yeah, extra 30. Get off my mans. Get off my mans. Get up.
Get off my man.
Okay, that's him. So we don't shoot the people.
No,
Okay,
shoot
we just shoot the
the
dinosaurs. Okay, shoot the dinosaurs. Damn, that thing's cool. Oh, look at you. Look at that. That's a thing.
Yo, you use grenades.
Use the grenades. Why you so serious about it, Claire?
No question.
You got
She better keep up on end of the gun.
bro, you see a nigga around the corner.
You can't play with no men for real. Oh Lord, they gonna get mad when we can't play like them.
She didn't have the card swipe ready.
They done got queen.
Oh, wow.
They done got queen.
Oh gosh, now she gotta go check, find the kid again.
Throw the grenades in there. Pause.
Just for that one game. You gotta shoot his teeth. You gotta shoot his teeth.
Oh, my God. Maybe he had the little one.
Shoot his teeth.
Oh, he ain't y'all now.
Somebody, please. Oh, my God, please.
Oh. You scared it? No.
Right.
They cheated.
He said, I'm gonna get it for my mama.
I got this one, bruh.
I got a little love that right there.
Nah, they ain't gonna get it. No.
You're gonna grab it. It's like.
Ready?
Yeah, like I feel like I'm gonna grab it.
Yeah, right there. Try right there. Right there. Try it. Oh my God, please, get it.
It's crazy.
They're scamming us.
Nah, they do. They know what they're doing.
It's gonna be at 10:30 and they still. Come on, Claire.
I think that pig too heavy.
Yeah, I think you gotta grab the right stuff. I think you're right.
Oh my God, you better keep it on there. Keep it on.
They doing that on purpose.
Now they pick heavy stuff so it won't stay.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
He said, "Are you ready?"
No.
He's so cute. Hey, you look like one of them arms broke. Like.
Yeah.
Right here. Come on, stay on. CJ, it's this game. Let's go. I had it right there.
He Ooh, he tight.
You go try it.
He said, I need to get this.
Bro.
That's it.
I mean, try a different one.
Yeah. They stuck on that pig.
They stuck on the same position on
What's
the
up,
bed.
y'all? Today is day 2 in Arizona. You know what I'm saying? We about to get this day started. We just got back from eating breakfast, all that. Finding out what we about to do today. We're heading to this little state park, I believe, that has a whole bunch of things to do. I'm talking about jet skiing, boat rides.
Oh.
There's an aquarium. There's this little zoo, petting zoo for the kids. So we about to head there and get the day started. And we definitely want to bring y'all along to show y'all. Queen is right here.
Hi, y'all.
Hey, girl.
Hey, Queen.
Just trying to pack.
She's packing crayons.
So we can go.
Yeah.
What you guys gonna do?
Be prepared, mama.
And
Especially so they could do it on the trip.
these two guys are wrestling here. What's that? Tell the people what's that. What's that?
Sunscreen.
Ah, you're so smart.
Sunscreen. Good job, Dada. You're so smart. Sunscreen man.
Yo, Titi baby, right?
Let daddy baby.
So we are
I'm gonna let y'all figure it out.
right now.
Baby,
Oh,
sleep
he
again.
sleep again. Fix his neck.
And we went all through the mountains, but as y'all can see, like we're still going around mountains. My ear is popping.
Coming
We're
around
on our way to
when she
Clarence told y'all. I don't even know honestly, but he sleep.
Coming around.
CJ sleep. It's an hour drive. Hold on, tap that. But it's a really good. Oh wait, look, there y'all go right there. The mountains. Look at that. That's
Goodness.
it's a beautiful sight, but it's a little scary.
Yeah.
So Lee said we can't come back in the dark.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you,
Too
Lee.
long.
That's after my heart.
Yeah, because where are the lights?
You and it's two week
I
curves.
would love to come out here again. I would do it again.
With more time, right?
Yeah, I wish we could stay longer. Can we stay longer? What we really got to do? I got school. Maya had school.
My mom's birthday.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Damn. Well, it's time to go turn up for that. We about to get lit. Can you get lit tonight? I'm trying to get lit for real. It only take me a little bit. It took you a lot. So, yeah, we will see y'all when we are
So it really was a little town because there's
Horseback.
nothing again.
Oh, wow.
horsebacking and jacking and cracking.
Yeah, I thought we was close for a minute.
Yeah, we're like 13 minutes away. You know?
But yeah, just as soon as we seen the town, I thought we was like there.
So we just got here, y'all, and not what we expected.
Uh-oh.
I thought I was gonna go jet skiing or something. And ATVs. All it is like a small body of water. Legend, no, don't let him go near those ants. All it is, they say it's a beach. It don't look like a beach to me. It just looks like a lake. No, a beach is bigger. You might have to get in a car and go.
The number you called, call again.
How you feeling?
No, we can't find anything.
You disappointed?
Just came in.
You okay? Should we go up this thing one by one?
Yo, that is funny.
Bro, I'm
I don't
scared.
even like heights, but you know,
This
before
is
you
like
got
a roller coaster.
But that's what I'm saying. To get there, we might be able to just go this way. Why are we going on the bridge?
This shit crazy.
Maybe it's another side.
Mike, don't grab me.
No, I'm just saying that you're kicking the thing out. CJ, don't run down.
Yeah, we're going. I'm already halfway over.
Lee getting
Right, Lee's like, what's happening?
Let's go, y'all. They scared right now, but I'm gonna bring y'all across the bridge. I got y'all.
All right, thanks, bro.
He gonna make Mike go too.
Yep.
Ah, Lee coming.
You know she ain't gonna let her baby brother
Right.
go nowhere by himself.
It's a
But he
long,
happy now.
that's a long bridge.
She gonna complain about
They
it
go
later,
up and
though.
down. Don't jump! Don't
See,
do her like
She
that.
gonna whoop you.
Don't do her.
All right. This shit not too safe. This one
Yeah,
past
Queen's
inspection.
nipples is dumb hard.
There's no way.
She
She
said
say
it went,
doing good.
it went past inspection.
I want to go back over y'all.
I will run across.
Yeah, y'all gotta go back around over it.
It was too far to leave.
Claire having the time of his life.
You didn't even have to do this.
Oh, we could have took that path.
Why not do it? Mike wanted to go on the bridge.
Nah, we might have to. We might have to. If there ain't no jet skis.
Yeah, what's wrong with it? Let's make the best of it. Like,
Where is he? He act like it's some real terrain
Right.
or something.
He hiking or something.
Right.
You a little too close, bro. I'm not
He
gonna lie.
gonna jump.
You,
He ain't gonna jump with that bag on him.
I would like to see somebody else do it.
He wanna see somebody else do it. He almost kicked that woman in the face.
I'm about to Google that.
would you really jump out this stuff?
Oh, nigga, I've jumped over higher cliffs. For sure.
Man's here. All the college kids, you know what I'm saying?
Like Lake Havasu.
Right.
That'd be great footage.
If he take off his backpack, you know he for real.
We're jumping off that.
You want me to jump with you?
Yeah, well, we can do that.
One thing is,
That's great
I
footage.
don't know if I'll be able to swim in that water.
Oh, man.
That's no yelling.
Nigga said I was right next to Queen. You know, they was dead next to us. They didn't know.
So we walking it back across the bridge?
nobody
we
nobody
were
want to
working
do
over
it
here.
except for him.
I just see some
Yeah, I thought my phone dropped. I'm like, oh, no, that's different.
This is
AirPods.
this is fun though. You know, we're making the best of it. Family time.
I don't want to go in the boat.
Why? CJ? Don't be scared.
I don't want to go in the boat.
We're gonna go on a boat and we're gonna have so much fun, okay?
I don't want to go in the boat.
But you can't stay here by yourself, and that's where we going. We're going on the boat.
What kind of boat?
Here, you'll see when we get up here. Come on.
Yeah, something. You heard that?
I ain't hear that.
That's just in the bushes.
He says some snakes in there. It is snake
I
grass.
know there's shit in these bushes though.
Okay, don't stump it.
I
Don't
want to
stop
see.
it. He want to see. This is his element. I don't know what you. Y'all think he's just a city guy.
Next one.
He love nature.
And Mike, he doing some scripting. He gonna try to fool everybody.
Right, get a reaction.
Oh shit.
She took the baby and it ran. Legend was underneath her arm. She was gone. She She ain't gonna let nobody have him. That's a good auntie. Legend like,
Yeah, you did. We saw you, girl.
Legend like, what is going on?
She's taking him like a football.
Nah, I forgot. Yeah, I don't got a towel, man. Man, I gotta get back in the car. Like, don't do that.
That is true. I don't like being with a guy like that.
Don't do that.
So we are finally saying goodbye to our little family getaway.
Little getaway, little peaceful. I want to say
We're gonna
Reset.
we're gonna come back here tomorrow.
Yeah, fun.
We might come back someday, but not tomorrow. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. It was a beautiful scenery, as y'all can see. I mean, y'all seen this before. It ain't nothing new to y'all, but it was just so beautiful. I'm a little sad to leave it, but I'm happy to go back home. Mama Sandra's birthday is today, so you know, we gonna party it up. Last night, Clarence was lit.
He said, I don't know what that means.
You know, I was happy that he was lit, but he fell asleep on me. We made a dope TikTok. We did a little ski challenge.
You know, if I'm doing TikToks, it's, you know, I'm like.
You won't have to get lit every day then, because you should do TikToks.
It was shot o'clock at the resort. It was going crazy. Like.
Yeah. You know, they seen the cheeks. I had the cheeks out. You know, the cheeks
CJ
was
said
out.
he want to do
We might be going on vacation next month. I don't know.
Yeah,
I
he
want
be
to go
good
to
at
the
that.
country. What you think? He down. He down. He ain't got to say nothing. He down. We was thinking, I was thinking either Punta Cana or Turks and Caicos. You said something about Tulum. So, I don't know. Tell us what y'all think.
We'll see. We're gonna talk about it as a family, see what's best. We're gonna book that trip and we're gonna have even more fun.
Legend said he's looking out the window. He don't want to leave.
Agua?
Hey guys,
What?
I got a Naruto headband and me some AirPods.
Oh, really?
He said, I need some AirPods.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye. We say bye-bye now.
They say bye-bye to him.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
to him.
baby.
Say bye-bye.
He's looking at his Cheerios. He's like, why does he have these Cheerios? Like, what? He's trying to figure out why he has his Cheerios.
You want some?
All right. Let's go. Bye-bye. Come on. Let's go.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. To like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us to 100K.